me and my mom are out. We are about to go to the Stinking Crawfish and eat some crabs, of course. It's about to go down. Basement, Friday the 13th, and Erica's playing Jason. Mama, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, I wouldn't.
So we are about to go in here and grub a dub.
And she said, Mom, are you ready? But really, I was not ready. So she started the intro without me. Now I'm ready.
Okay, let's go, because I'm ready to eat.
Okay. Mom, are you ready? I really wasn't ready. Peace. We'll see you inside.
We'll see you
We're
guys.
ready
Yes.
to go grub up on some crabs.
Yes. So yes, we are at the Stinking Crawfish, and we are about to grub. Our food is coming right now.
Thank you.
And we're gonna do a mukbang.
Is there a line or is that your phone?
That's my phone.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure.
Girl, Mom.
I don't know for real.
So we have a pound each of crabs.
It's late night and we just decided at the last minute we just wanted to get crabs. So
Yeah, so here it is.
and this is not enough for me usually, but I'm gonna just enjoy it. Usually I get 2 pounds. So this is, yeah, we forgot to put our bibs. Although, I don't know. I'm just gonna put mine over my hair. And, cause I'm real messy.
I don't want my hair to get messed up either. Oh, Mom just did my hair. Y'all ain't mine here, y'all.
So, the only thing I don't like about these crab in the bag is because I like grade A butter and lemon. What is this? Why they give you lime now? And it just make everything bitter. I don't understand that. What happened to having lemon and butter? And put a little butter sauce, a little garlic in the butter sauce. Lime is not for crab. But I think they do this because lime is a little... So we came and they're closing. And I might have to order me some more because we're going to... We put crab in, I don't know. We're almost finished. Almost finished. I'm going to add some more.
I can't believe, Mom, for real?
I think they gave us a pound. I'm always saying they didn't give you a pound.
You always.
Because sometimes they be rushing.
You guys want a bite? There you go. Some crab meat.
Trying to beg for a pound and you don't really know. My goodness. But we don't need that much anyway. It's kind of late.
I only need a pound.
You eat slow.
Oh my God. I do eat slow.
You better catch up because I'm grabbing up. But I don't appreciate the little
Look
bitty.
at that. Look at that right there.
They gave me little bitty legs. Look at this. But I'm not going to complain. I'm just going to, but I have a few left. Today, yeah.
It's so good.
But like I was saying, that they give you this lime, and this lime is not the business. You know, with I did say that. I said I like lemon now.
Me too.
With butter. All this lime stuff, we're gonna have to boycott them or something. Let them know. Don't nobody want this damn lime. We need lemon with crab. I don't know why they do that. Don't nobody say nothing. we were saying it's not be like be lovely big old Jersey crab.
She get king crab. She be cooking.
I might get king crab when we do it at home because you don't get your money's worth when you come to these places. Although sometimes you do want to just, I don't like to cook seafood at home too much because it's just, you know, it's just so, well, you get your money's worth, but sometimes I just like to come out and get the crab in the bag. But I don't have to worry about all that fishy crab smelling stuff, you know, in the house.
Exactly.
We do king crab.
Next time you're gonna make king crab at home?
Yes. Aren't you glad we came? Well, I should be glad we came because at first I wanted pizza. But
Yeah.
what did you say? You didn't,
I don't want pizza. I don't want my stomach to be hurting.
why? Why would it hurt?
I'm lactose intolerant.
You can get pizza with this sauce, but then it wouldn't be a pizza with no cheese.
Exactly.
But I'm always in the mood for crab. I just wanted to just get something with a just something crunchy. I want. See, Erica, look, I'm almost finished. I believe they gave you more crab.
They did not give me more
Look how
crab.
big. Look, I know I eat faster than you, but look at that. They gave you more. Oh, this is my grandbaby song. Don't worry.
This is Amari's song. This is my niece song. Juicy.
Hey. Hey.
I'm almost done though.
MB.
You don't think so?
Yeah, you are. So I guess I'll sit up here and watch you.
So you gonna watch me eat?
I knew I should have ordered more, but
Are you still hungry?
no, I'm not hungry. I'm just a little greedy. I'm greedy. I just love to
I'm
eat.
almost done though. So I just like to get all the meat out the crab, okay? Look, they gonna meat.
You do a little bit more detail. When they're real little, I just throw them to the side.
It's very important that you get all the meat out, okay?
Okay, look, I have some.
Hey,
I'll go back.
I still have this big old cluster.
Yeah.
That's a
The
lot.
little ones I don't even look, here's some. See, the little ones I don't like to bother, you know. It's just too much work. Yeah, I'm full, but I'm not full.
Really?
Usually I get about 2 pounds, but I usually take most of them home, so
You take a lot home every time.
yeah. So, I mean, I guess I'm satisfied. But I don't like to be sitting there watching people eat.
I don't know what to tell you because I'm still eating.
Okay, well,
So don't worry about that. Don't worry about the comments and all of that. You know what? It's his law. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty beat. I heard the homies. Like, man, your name tripping, man. It's busted. I'm like, no,
You're the only ones in the restaurant.
yeah, that was a Mexico look. That was a shock. That thing, that you can see something like a spark or something.
All that meat. We are now done.
I've been finished.
Look, That's the aftermath. And it was really good.
Yeah, it was delicious.
It was really, really good. So if you love this video, please press like, thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and let me know what mukbang you want us to do next. Or me, or my mom. I don't know. We'll see. But we love to eat, so we'll be eating our way through. So don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Mwah. Mwah. Hey, get it, mama. Bust down. Hey. Bust it. We ain't good. Now we feeling good. Hey, bust down.